Good morning, students. Now, today, children, we will revise and we will be doing worksheet 4 and worksheet 5 of chapter fraction. So, all of you will write down today's date at the top of your notebook, as today it is 10th of January 23. Now, worksheet 4, two questions of worksheet 4 we have already solved in our regular classes, but still I am going to do one problem of question number 1 and question number 2. So here find the sum, or here we will be doing the addition of like fractions. Children, you know that it's very easy. Addition of like fraction or the subtraction of like fractions. What are like fractions? The fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Okay? Here 3 is your numerator and 7 is the denominator. The number which is written below is called denominator, and the number which is written above this separating line is called numerator. And one more thing, numerator always represent the number of shaded part or the number of selected part, and denominator always represent the total number of equal parts. Total number of equal parts is represented by the denominators. Now addition, let's come to the addition of like fractions. So here, while adding any two or more like fractions, we only add numerators, and denominators will remain or will retain as it is. Like here, if we are adding 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7, so here it will be 3 plus 3 upon 7. Okay, so here we will be adding only numerator and denominator will remain as it is. So on adding, we will get 6 by 7 as your answer. One more question we are going to solve, number 2, addition of like fraction 5 by 10 plus 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10. So again here also we will be adding only numerators like 5 plus 2 plus 1, and denominator will remain as it is, so it will be 10. On adding these three number, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 8, here we will get 8 upon 10 as our answer. So here 8 is your numerator and 10 will be the denominator. So you can do rest all the question of number 1 and number 2. Now in number 3, children, color squares to show the correct answer. So here addition of like fraction is given 3 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8. Again, since the denominators are same, so both are the like fractions. So on adding these two fraction, children, we will add only numerators, that is 3 plus 2, and denominator will remain as it is 8. On adding here, we will get 5 by 8. Now you have to show this 5 by 8 by coloring the squares or by shading this squares. So let us count. What is your denominator? It is 8. और मैंने आपको बताया कि denominator always represent the total number of equal parts. So if the denominator is 8, so we should have total 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8 equal parts, we have to shade or we have to color only 5. So let's shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any 5 box you will be shading. Okay, children? Similarly, let's solve one more question. So here the addition of like fraction 3 by 10 plus 2 by 10 is given. So while adding like fractions, we only add the numerators. So 3 plus 2, we will get here 5 upon 10. Now here you have to show by shading the boxes these fractions. You have to show these fractions by shading the boxes. So here the denominator is 10. So we should have total 10 equal parts 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have 10 equal parts. Now out of 10 we have to shade only 5. So let us say 1 2 3 4 any 5 like this. So same children, you will do this also. So on adding, we will add only numerator since these are the like fractions, and denominator will retain as it is. And on adding the numerators, we will get here 9 upon 9. Okay, 9 upon 9 which will equal to 1. मैंने आपको regular classes में बताया था. If we get numerator and denominator same, then its value will be equal to 1. Let us see how it will be 1. चलो अब हम लोग देखते हैं कि कैसे इसका वैल्यू आखिर 1 होगा. So here the denominator is 9. That means we should have 9 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have 9 equal parts here. Out of 9 parts, we have to shade 9 because our numerator is also 9 here, children. So, we have to shade all parts. We have to shade this complete, this whole shape. पूरे को हमें shade करना है. So, this will be equal to 1, na? So, when we have numerator and denominator same, then its value will be equal to 1 always. Now add the following fractions. So here the 3 or more fractions will be given. You have to add. So addition will be same as you have already done before. Okay, in the next video I will explain subtraction of like fraction. It is also as simple as the addition of like fraction, children.